Quick tour of the Help Center to find answers fast. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Hilton Honors page. At the bottom, click on Help Center, which will lead you to Help Center. Now in here, you'll find all topics categories like your account, reservations, hotel informations. Select the one you want, and you'll find subtopics in here. You can click on it and look for the solutions fast. You'll also find it on the left side. You can click on it. You'll find subtopics again. Select the topic you prefer. After you've selected the topic you prefer, you can click on the subtopics and look for the answers. This is the quick tour of the Help Center to find answers fast in Hilton. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.